New Year objects. English, level A1. Calendar. The calendar is new. Calendar. The calendar is new. Notebook. My notebook is clean. Notebook. My notebook is clean. Pen. This pen is blue. Pen. This pen is blue. Pencil. I use a pencil to write. Pencil. I use a pencil to write. Alarm. The alarm rings early. Alarm. The alarm rings early. Clock. The clock shows time. Clock. The clock shows time. Planner. My planner is ready. Planner. My planner is ready. List. I make a short list. List. I make a short list. Paper. The paper is white. Paper. The paper is white. Folder. The folder has plans. Folder. The folder has plans. Bag. My bag is full. Bag. My bag is full. Phone. My phone has alarms. Phone. My phone has alarms. Desk. My desk is clean. Desk. My desk is clean. Chair. The chair is comfortable. Chair. The chair is comfortable. Lamp. The lamp is on. Lamp. The lamp is on. Bottle. My bottle has water. Bottle. My bottle has water. Cup. The cup is hot. Cup. The cup is hot. Mirror. The mirror is clean. Mirror. The mirror is clean. Window. The window is open. Window. The window is open. Door. The door is closed. Door. The door is closed. Calendar page. This calendar page is new. Calendar page. This calendar page is new. Sticky note. The sticky note is yellow. Sticky note. The sticky note is yellow. Clock alarm. The clock alarm rings. Clock alarm. The clock alarm rings. Backpack. My backpack is ready. Backpack. My backpack is ready. Notebook cover. The notebook cover is new. Notebook cover. The notebook cover is new.
Thank you so much for practicing English every day with us here on your favorite YouTube channel. If you'd like to keep learning and practicing, make sure to subscribe, give us a like, and share your favorite part of today's listening practice in the comments. See you in the next video.